Xiaomi has announced the launch of MIUI 7 Global Beta for May 22 for its smartphones. The MIUI 7 update will not be available for Xiaomi smartphones over the air OTA just yet, which means you will have to manually download and install the build if you are interested in getting on board the MIUI 7 train. Here's the list of what's new in MIUI 7: as the name clearly suggests, the MIUI 7 ROM is still in beta, which means the performance is likely to be unstable and it can even lead to data loss. Now that you know the risks of installing beta software, but want to proceed anyways, we suggest you back up your Xiaomi smartphone before proceeding. As of this moment, MIUI 7 is available for the following Xiaomi smartphones: Xiaomi Miles 4i, Xiaomi Miles 4, Xiaomi Miles 3, Xiaomi Redmi 1S, Xiaomi Redmi 2, Xiaomi Redmi Note, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G. Here's how to download and install MIUI 7 on your Xiaomi smartphone. 1. Identify your smartphone and download the MIUI 7 build corresponding to your smartphone. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 4i, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 4, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 3, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi 1S, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi 2, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi Note, recovery from MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G. Recovery ROM. Most users should download the recovery ROM for their smartphone. Flashing recovery ROM will not wipe your user data or the files in internal storage, and it's simple to use, so unless you are planning to start afresh, we suggest you follow this method. 2. Once you've downloaded the recovery ROM corresponding to your device, rename the downloaded ROM file to update.zip on a computer. 3. Connect your Xiaomi smartphone to your laptop via a micro USB cable, and copy the ROM file downloaded into the root directory of the internal storage of your device. Do not put it in any other folder. 4. Enter the recovery mode of your device. There are 2 methods to do it as follows. Method 1. Launch Updater app on your device. Click the icon at the top right corner, and select Reboot to Recovery Mode to enter. Method 2. You can also turn off your device and then hold both volume plus button and power button at the same time to enter recovery mode. 5. Once in recovery mode, you can use volume plus flash to select up slash down, and power button to confirm. After entering recovery mode, choose the language you use, select install update.zip to system 1 and confirm, and then your device will begin updating automatically. Wait until the update is completed, choose reboot to system 1, and then your device should boot to the MIUI 7 version. To flash recovery ROM, you just need to put the ROM file into your device's root directory, and flash it in recovery mode by following steps. Installing a fast boot ROM is a little bit more complicated, and you can follow the instructions below. 1. Download the MIUI ROM flashing tool from the Xiaomi website. 2. Download the fast boot ROM for your device from the links below. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 4i, fast boot ROM. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 4, fast boot ROM. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Miles 3, fast boot ROM. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi 1S, fast boot ROM. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi 2, fast boot ROM. MIUI 7 for Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G, fast boot ROM. 3. Switch off your Xiaomi smartphone. Hit the volume key and the power button at the same time to enter fast boot mode. Now plug in your device to a Windows PC or laptop via the micro USB cable. 4. Double-click on the fast boot ROM file you downloaded to your PC in step 2 to decompress it. Open the folder where this decompressed ROM is saved and copy the folder path. 5. Now decompress the flashing tool you downloaded in step 1. Then double-click on it to install it. After this, open the flash.exe and in its address bar, paste the folder path copied in the previous step. Now click the refresh button and the flash will recognize your device. There are 3 options you can choose from up the bottom. Flash all will flash all the files, and wipe all user data and all files in internal storage. Flash all except storage will flash updated files, wipe user data, but will not delete files in internal storage. Flash all except data and storage will only flash the updated files, and will not wipe user data and files in internal storage. To preserve your user data, make sure you select Flash all except data and storage. After this, click Flash button towards top right to flash the ROM to your Xiaomi smartphone. 6. Wait till the progress bar fills up. You will then see a message next to it that reads, "The operation completed successfully." Your device will automatically reboot and have MIUI 7 installed. How was your experience installing MIUI 7 on your smartphone? Let us know via the comments. For more tutorials, head to our How To section.